Hello and welcome to the Jem Hawkes YouTube channel. I hope you're having a beautiful day today. I first launched this channel back in 2019 and as it's now 2022 I thought it was about time for an updated introduction. My name is Jem. I live in the United Kingdom where I was born and I make jewellery and teach jewellery making primarily using wire, gemstones and other material beads. The channel has already well over 100 different videos on creating your very own wire wrapping jewellery. There will occasionally be alternative content, but primarily my mission is to make wire wrapped jewellery accessible even to absolute beginners. If you've never picked up a couple of pairs of pliers before and you want to get into wire wrapping or wire work jewellery, then I'm sure that there is a beginner's video on my channel that will suit you. The content is all entirely free and I hope that you find something to enjoy. If there are any particular projects that you'd like me to undertake for you, then please do drop me a comment on my most recent video just down below this one and I'm sure I'll be able to pick that up, and if I can accommodate the design I will. Have yourself a beautiful day and it's my pleasure to be with you. Bye!